Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make bacon and egg onigirazu. Onigirazu is sometimes translated rice sandwich. The filling for onigiri is limited because of the size of onigiri, but the choice of filling for onigirazu is unlimited. And today I'm going to do bacon and egg onigirazu. These are what you need. Cooked Japanese rice. I cooked it earlier today, so it's not too hot, but it's not too cold. It's like lukewarm. Nori seaweed, onion, 2 slices of cured bacon, 2 eggs, some salt and pepper, and lettuce. I'm going to make fried egg first, and I want to make perfect round fried eggs. I'm going to cook it in onion ring. Let's make thick slice of onion. Two onion rings for 2 eggs. Heat up some vegetable oil in a frying pan. And let's put onion rings. Into these onion rings, I'm adding egg. An egg white might come out, but never mind. You can remove it and eat it later on. Put 1 tablespoon water, put the lid on and cook it to your favorite consistency. This is how I like my fried egg. Egg yolk is almost cooked, but in the middle it's slightly soft. Let's remove this egg white here. Let's take the eggs out. And bacon. Let's cut it into 3. Clean the frying pan you used to fry eggs. Let's cook the bacon. You don't want to make the bacon too crispy. When it's too crispy, the texture of bacon stands out too much in your onigirazu. So don't make it too crispy. Let's take it out on a paper towel to remove excess oil. Put plastic film big enough to place your nori seaweed and nori seaweed on top. Nori seaweed has front side and back side, or shiny side and rough side. You place the nori seaweed diagonally like this with rough side facing up. Sprinkle a little bit of salt in the middle of the nori seaweed. Put golf ball size rice in the middle. And spread it out into square shape. The size of this square is about the same size with 1/4 of the nori seaweed. Some lettuce, bacon, fried egg, little bit of salt and pepper, another golf ball size rice on top, sprinkle a little bit of salt. Bring these corners together. push here as you bring this corner up. Push here as you bring this corner up. Wrap it up with this plastic film rather tight. Like this, and flip it over so the seam of nori seaweed is facing down. And let it sit for 3 minutes to settle. Now I'm cutting these onigirazu in half. And you can cut it with the film on or film off, either way you like. Today I'm cutting it with the film on. Prepare wet cloth or paper towel to slightly wet your knife. Let's just cut it into half. Bacon egg onigirazu is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in next video, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!